Well, good morning. It looks like you made it through the first day of Winter Storm Landon. You know, I really feel sorry for. I really still feel sorry for all the Landons at Huntington North High School. Our thoughts and prayers go out to all the Landons, Landon Heathcote. We're really sorry, but you now have the name of a very powerful winter storm. May our thoughts be with you. For the rest of you who currently do not have a storm named after you, it's time to get busy. All right. So today is Thursday. In biology, on this gorgeous, gorgeous winter day, you are going to be doing two things. All right. The first thing that you're going to be doing is analyzing and coloring the structure of a chloroplast. Now, I'm going to give you a moment to think. Think about where a chloroplast is located. I'm going to take a drink while you ponder that. All right, it's answer time. Raise your hand if you believe that a chloroplast is found in a leaf. Large majority of you. All right. How many of you, by a show of hands, think that chloroplasts can be found in the stem of a plant? Not as many. All right. Raise your hand if you think that a chloroplast is found in the roots of a plant. Well, I had one person say that it can be found in the root of a plant. And you know what? That person is wrong. If you said that chloroplasts can be found not only in the leaves of a plant, but also the stems of a plant, then you, my friends, are correct. Any part of a plant that synthesizes or creates, makes glucose from carbon dioxide and what else? Water, right? Carbon dioxide and water to make sugar and oxygen. Then it doesn't matter whether it's in the leaf. It doesn't matter whether it's in the little petiole. That's like the little stem that comes off the leaf. Or it doesn't matter. My nose really itches. Must be the winter storm out there. Or it could be like on the green side of I don't know, a tree trunk, you know. So it can be located in any of those. Well, what we're going to be doing is we need to kind of take a chloroplast, a single chloroplast, and we need to break it down. Okay, it's almost like you're in the kitchen and you have this apple, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut that bad boy open it up, and see what's on the inside. All right. We did that with the mitochondria as well. We learned about the matrix. We learned about the mitochondrial cristae. We learned about the inner membrane, the outer membrane. All right. And we're going to do the same thing with the chloroplast because, man, you crank one of those open and it's all kinds of messed up. Well, it's not messed up. It's actually very organized. Okay. So we're going to be taking a look at all of the parts of the chloroplast. And just like with the mitochondria, I'm going to have you color the different parts. Now, if you don't have draw, and I know I mentioned this last time, but apparently there were some people that didn't pay attention. I'm not going to mention those people. What I'll do is I'll scroll their names at the end of the video. I'm just kidding, I won't. Okay, I don't want to point you out. Okay, Johnny. Yeah, I don't want to point you out that you were the one. All right. So what you're going to do is if you don't have the draw function on Word, if you go up to the file and then go clear down to the bottom on the left hand side, there's a little button called options. Click that. That's going to bring up an options box. Look over on the left hand side, scroll down to where it says customize ribbon. Okay, that doesn't mean like a ribbon on a present, anything like that. It's the ribbon across the top of your Word, Microsoft Word. And then once you click that, over on the right hand side, you're going to see that the word draw doesn't have a little check mark box for some check mark in the box for some reason. Click that little box, click OK. You are golden. Okay. And then you'll have the functions that everybody else does. All right. And then your paper will look as cool as theirs. All right. So there are some questions. Remember, read through the document. That's going to allow you to fill in those questions as well. Once you are finished with that, get that bad boy turned in on Canvas, and then you're going to take a quiz over what you learned. All right. So you're going to go to, there's a link down below for you to go to quizzes, and I have a video clip on there, so you can watch that. I'll give you a little hint between me, you, and the falling snow that the answers to the quiz are found on that paper, and they're found in the video as well. All right. So use those things as resources. That's what I'm trying to say, people. All right. So kick your feet up, get your hot cocoa. Let's get this stuff done.